welcome to the Awaz India TV, and this is a Dhamma revolution of Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar, where the people are coming from the different states and different countries. We have a guest from Japan.
Yes.
Yeah, we have a guest from Japan, and I would like to ask you, how are you feeling to came here?
Yeah, so very exciting. Yes,
Yeah.
very exciting.
Yeah.
This is important for Buddhist.
Yes,
Buddhist.
yes,
We
yes.
are Buddhist from Japan.
Yes.
So of course, so I'm proud of this.
Moment.
Yeah, but this moment. Yes,
Yes, yes,
right,
yes.
right.
So are you also following the Baba Sahib?
Baba Sahib.
Baba Sahib Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar,
Yeah.
which
Yeah. Yes, I know. Yes.
this event of Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar.
Yes.
Known most of the people, they are coming from the various states and various different places
Yes.
for only Baba Sahib and for only Buddhas.
Yes.
So this is important to us, and this is also important to our Indian community, Indian Buddhist community. They are came here and they are remembering Buddhas and Baba Sahib Ambedkar.
Yes.
So how would like to express that feeling?
That feeling, yes. Buddhism is most for Japanese
Yes.
most important. So what should I say? Yes, most important. So our behavior is all from Buddhism. So that's why I would like to spread to
Yeah.
India.
Yes,
So
yes.
Buddhism,
Yes.
I believe that
Yes.
we can. Yes.
And when you are came here,
When?
when you came here,
Yeah, three days ago.
3 days ago.
Yes.
And where are you stay now? Where are you stay now?
So yes, yes, here.
Okay.
Yes.
So-
I stayed 1 week.
Okay, you stay for 1 week.
Yes.
So are you explore the Nagpur city?
Now explore. Explore. Yeah.
There is a lot of places to explore for the Buddhist people. Are you explore that places?
Yes. Nagpur is very best place because this is 0 point. You
Yes.
know. Yes.
Yeah,
we know.
yeah.
So
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
why this place is has power.
Yes.
So huge power.
Yes.
I believe that. So that's why I like this place. Yes.
So are you able to speak English? No. Okay. So are you speaking English? I understand. Little. So what is your name?
Makoto Katayama.
Okay. And how you are feeling to come here? Please.
Great.
Great.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
I'm
how
excited.
many people with you are?
Uh,
How many people with you are?
Japan.
Around 25.
25.
Yes, around
Yeah,
25.
yeah.
Yes.
When you leave the India?
After this
Event.
event, yes, we will leave to Japan. So, because, but
When the event is over, you will go to your country.
no. So there are so many Japanese from all over
Yes.
the world. So I live
Okay.
in Myanmar.
Yeah.
So she live in Malaysia.
Okay.
So many Japanese from Japan, all over country can gathering. Yes, it's gathering. Yes.
So are you feeling very good?
Very good.
So thank you so much for giving your valuable time. I am very thankful to you.
Yeah, thank you.
एंड साथियों देखा आपने कि जापान से ही नहीं तो म्यांमार और तमाम लोग यहाँ पे जो है अलग अलग देश के कोने कोने से बुद्धिस्ट लोग यहाँ पर आते हैं और इनसे हमने बातचीत करने की कोशिश की और हमें बड़ा ही हम ये इस चीज़ को लेकर के बड़े ही गौरवान्वित महसूस होता है कि इस तरीके से जो गेस्ट है वो हमारे साथ में मिलते हैं और बातचीत करते हैं। आप देख रहे हैं आवाज़ इंडिया टीवी।